Alhaji gawa mai suya su dan kwam. Tsire suya. Tsire suya. Bayo suya. Tsire suya. Bayo suya. Bayo suya. Tsire suya. Su dan kwam.
Alhaji.
Oga.
Hi, show. How far now?
Correct, Oga.
How they be? How market?
Okay, today okay.
How about your family?
Zende okay.
Like I see now.
Okay.
Which meat be this?
Wait. Oga. Forget for cow meat. Hey.
Like I see now.
So one see.
No be she. Who be she?
No be someone now.
I don't want you make you know they call me she. No, they put she for my name. What be your problem?
No face. This one. Now one. Suya.
Oh, Nama.
Cow.
Oh, cow.
Yes.
Male cow or female cow?
Oga mana. See never buy it.
Talk to me now. No be question I dey ask you. I go buy male cow or female cow?
Now male.
Male cow.
Hey male.
White one or brown one?
Oga na why? Na why?
Okay, white cow.
Hey.
The cow not even sweet though. Now the one where get long horn, a big small horn.
What's the one again now? White now this one now that one. Now the one where get short horn.
You for tell me now. Oh, now the one where get long horn I want buy. You for tell me.
Why you not tell me now the one where get why you so what up this one? You know face you what?
You don't leave me for.
Hey Oga!
You don't leave me for.
Hey, I know they like this car too.
Aboki. You get ram. This
ram she did.
They get it. Let I see your lamb.
Then I like this car too. This one ram.
Lamb. Rago. You saw that sweet. It's sweet. Where your pepper then? I touch pepper. Make I test.
So go I know they like this car too.
The meat sweet small oh.
What?
But wait oh, now white lamb I be brown one.
What's the way? Yeah, I think so. What I say now white to be round. This one na be round too.
Now brown. The leg the tall I be the leg the short. Which one? I want to know.
Kuma Hassan when I was at the late one, my friends kill it, not to me.
Now before you go buy them, you go ask your friend waiting how you take go. Talk to me and I know what I want buy.
And then no, it be like na such leg.
Long tail I be short tail. Which one?
What? Can they like this car too?
See me, I tell you, if you don't want to sell meat for me, just tell me.
I want to sell meat now because I was selling now. I come here, man. I come and see they do like this.
Since you want to sell meat, you calm down. Now your customer why be? You calm down. I'm a human being like you. You calm down.
See then Jeff too. I they can't.
That's why he gets home.
What one again? She get to home.
If you see, no
again she get to home.
No be she. Okay, get on. Short or long? Long horn, I be short horn. I want to know. Because from what I see here, no be long horn be this. She now short horn, I be.
Now short horn. Now
I talk am. She now short horn.
I tell you now short horn, man.
I need the lamb where get long horn. I know they chop this thing.
How about Ghana they like this guy too, man? You don't chop two, you never feel when you see the tell me. So
what thing I want buy no day here now? What thing be your problem?
The one where she don't chop.
Okay, you get tortoise meat.
Me?
You get tortoise meat.
Okay.
You know get that. You get snake meat.
See now they set this guy up too.
This is
only now one and there's around. Bravo.
Good. You no get tortoise and you no get snake.
Now
snake and tortoise meat I want buy.
Now in the song.
What do you know? Are you deaf? Are you deaf and dumb? You know they hear. I said that tortoise and snake meat I want buy now.
What are the ones she chop? What are the ones she chop?
Now testing I test. Okay,
now testing she test it.
Now.
You get the one she test big thing like this, she test it now go for anything. Can't you cut them worker? Another play with you, Kai then. Kai Oga, let me tell you something.
Wait, he never listen.
Kai Oga.
Wait. It's only tomorrow. No, tell me, it's only tomorrow.
Wallahi.
How man, why you just want to get you? I'm a titled man. Any woman again, I pay taka. Mind yourself, oh.
I need to understand my language. What is us? Hey,
it's okay, Priya.
Amen. Ah, sister, what do me back to? Now go for me. Amen. So come here. She didn't test my Suya. She didn't test my Suya. You tell me it's the way to long hand. You like you want?
Yes.
You want top torches? Torches killing me.
Amen.
She neck killing me.
Amen.
Chegi. I go catch me.
Amen. They go catch you and they go.
Seriously? Come find me. Seriously, yeah? Can't get it. She don't go.
I'll push her to the house.
Go find me.